Are you ready to learn ABC with us?
Let's go!
A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat.
D is for dog.
We love pets. E is for elephant.
F is for fish.
Learning is fun. G is for giraffe.
H is for hat.
Giraffe and hat. Look, how fun is that? I is for ice cream.
J is for jump.
Jumping for ice cream. Low. Yay! K is for kite.
L is for lion.
Kites and lions in the sky.
M is for moon. N is for nest. Good night, moon and nest. O is for octopus.
Ocean fun with octopus.
P is for panda.
Q is for queen.
Panda and queen head, what a team.
R is for rainbow.
S is for sun.
Sunshine and rainbows make us happy.
T is for train.
Choo-choo! All aboard the ABC train.
U is for umbrella.
V is for violin.
Umbrella and violin, what? Let's dance in the rain.
W is for whale.
X
is for xylophone.
Whale and xylophone
long.
Y is for yo-yo.
Z is for zebra.
We did A to Z fun. Come learn with me.
Don't forget to like and share.
And subscribe to our YouTube channel for more fun videos.